best vegetables for weight loss, a healthy path to your goals. Looking to shed some pounds while nourishing your body? Discover the power of vegetables that don't just fuel your day, but also help you achieve weight loss results naturally. Spinach, kale, and lettuce aren't just salad staples, they're nutrient-packed wonders. These greens are low in calories, high in fiber, and perfect for filling your plate without guilt. Add them as wraps, smoothie bases, or sides to stay full and energized all day long. Broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts bring more to the table than just crunch. High in fiber and rich in nutrients, they help you feel satisfied longer. Roast them, steam them, or toss them in salads for a satisfying and healthy addition to your meals. Swap out carb-heavy sides like pasta or rice with zucchini spirals or slices. With its mild flavor, low calories, and versatility, zucchini fits in almost any dish, keeping your meals light and your taste buds delighted. Crisp and virtually calorie-free, cucumbers are hydration heroes. Perfect for snacking or adding to infused water, they're the simple and satisfying vegetable that boosts hydration and keeps cravings in check. Packed with fiber and vitamin C, bell peppers add vibrant colors and flavors to any meal. Their natural sweetness makes them a great snack, while their crunch makes them ideal additions to salads, fajitas, or veggie bowls. Carrots provide sweetness, and celery provides that refreshing crunch, all while being low-calorie and fiber-rich. Pair them with a healthy dip, or enjoy alone as a guilt-free snack between meals. Take control of your nutrition today by adding these weight loss-friendly vegetables to your regular meals. Your health is your wealth, so make smarter, tastier choices starting now.